This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making sesame chicken. We're going to need 1 pound of chicken, 1 egg white, 2½ tablespoons and 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, 2½ tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to need a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, some water, 2 cups of cooking oil, a little over a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, some salt and pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. So let's get started. We're going to start with mincing our 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're going to cut our chicken into 1-inch squares. We're going to stick our chicken in with our minced garlic. And we're actually going to go wash my hands again. I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, an egg white, a ½ tablespoon of cornstarch, salt and pepper, and we're going to mix this together. Okay, we're going to set this aside for 15 minutes. Now it's time to get our sauce ready. We need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2½ tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And mix this together. And take our cornstarch, the cup of cornstarch, and we're going to put half in the bottom of the bowl. And kind of spread it across the bowl, and then we're going to pour our chicken in. Let's kind of smash it in there. Then we're going to take the other half of our cornstarch and sprinkle it on top. We're just going to gently toss our chicken in here to get it fully coated, each piece fully coated. We're going to take our chicken out one by one, making sure each piece is fully coated. Now it's time to heat our oil. We're going to heat our oil over medium-high heat. We're going to add our chicken 1 piece at a time, being sure not to overcrowd our pan. If you don't have enough room in your pan, do 2 batches. We're going to fry these for 2 to 3 minutes, but don't worry, we're going to take them out and fry them again to make them extra crispy. We're going to remove these and put in the second batch. We're going to let our chicken set for 15 minutes, and then we're going to double fry it to make it extra crispy. Now it's time for our second fry. We're going to fry these for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until they're golden brown. I'm going to remove these one by one as they finish cooking. Man, this chicken smells delicious. We're going to start working on our sauce now. In a separate pan, we're going to heat our sauce over medium heat. We're going to bring it to a boil. As our sauce starts to boil, we're going to add cornstarch water. It's just 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water. This is to thicken our sauce. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil and 1½ teaspoons of sesame seeds. Maybe a little more. Mix that all in. We're going to let this heat for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to turn this down to low and add our chicken. We're going to gently coat our chicken with our sauce. Be patient while you're stirring because you have enough sauce to cover all the chicken. It just takes a few minutes to get it thoroughly covered. Wow, does our sesame chicken look delicious. I'm going to garnish mine with green onions and more sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.